Hi, I'm Jason from Manhattan Portage, and today I'm here to show you how to use extension straps to get the most out of your Manhattan Portage bag. So a lot of our bags come with these front flaps and these buckles. If your bag has that, whether it be a messenger bag or one of our Empire bags, like this one seen here, what you can do is you can actually carry larger items even if everything in your bag is completely full by tucking it underneath the flap here and underneath these buckles. So this is fantastic to use for anybody like messengers, anybody who's got to carry large items like this box. This box is actually pretty small for what the extension straps will help let you do. You could probably fit 3 or 4 of these boxes, but this is just a demonstration. So first, make sure you have one of our bags, obviously, and our extension straps. So we have these available on our website, very inexpensive, but do be careful. We have a couple different sizes of buckles, so that means we have a couple different types of extension straps. If you need help figuring out which one is for your bag, feel free to contact us on the website, through social media, whatever way, feel free to reach out, we'll help you out. So what you do is you obviously unbuckle the bag, lift up this flap here, and then you just attach the extension straps like this. Make sure that you secure the items by pulling these nice and tight. That will keep everything attached and ready to go. And voila! Doesn't matter if you're running around, you're on a bike, you're in a car, this will keep your items secure, all together, and held on tight to your Manhattan Portage bag. This is how we use extension straps at Manhattan Portage. Thanks for watching. If you want to find out more information in particular about this bag, click the link in the description. Our website has hundreds of other shapes and styles available. And if you would like more product overviews and more sneak peeks about upcoming bags, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, and see you on the next one.